विद्या भारती का चांद आज का दिन का महकते हुए ये खूबसूरत सितारा यहाँ खड़ा होकर रहता है एंड बिकॉज ऑफ देयर हार्ड वर्क and because of their sacrifice and devotion to this program successfully organized, and we're really happy this kind of hard work and dedicated teachers who are there to contribute to betterment of the students and for contribute to development of society. We are really happy and I'm really privileged to working with them. और इस तरीके से आदमी साथ में रहने से सीखने को भी बहुत सारा मिलते हैं और एक दूसरे का साथ में रहकर बहुत सारा चीज़ें हंसते खेलते मजाक करते भी रहते हैं. So someone can be create any kind of job in here somewhere what called in between Arun sir also saying something about it. It was very lovely. So इसी तरीके से हमेशा रहना चाहिए. More about that. Yes. Shiv Mandal sir also there. So if we want to live the life, we always try to enjoy our work, whatever we are doing. That's a lovely thing. I'm really happy. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Happy Teachers Day. Again. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy Teachers Day.
Lovely. With this, our most motivational teachers, Shiv sir there, Akasla ma'am there, Down madam there, and the students are standing where we are going to celebrate it, and we are dedicated all the hard work teacher who put the effort to make better our students and contribute to development of our society. Through that way, I like to say hello, welcome back to DY Epistemic channel. अभी का वीडियो में हम लोग का टीचर्स डे सेलिब्रेशन कैसे करते हैं उसको देखते हैं, उसी का नज़ारा यहाँ देखा. How our students are wearing the white color, and white color representing about peace and prosperity, and you can see our madams wearing the so lovely dress, and it's kind of vibrant dress with the sign of their happiness. So we like to say yes, blue is so meaningful color of dress also wearing. So I wish you all happy Teachers Day. Thank you everyone. Let's proceed the video.
And even good morning to everyone present here. Respected principals here, our education department teachers, my juniors and all my dear friends. I am Indra Mehta of class 11 humanities. अग्नि ज्ञान का स्रोत है और इसके ज्ञान से मनुष्य के जीवन में आध्यात्मिकता और भौतिकता के बीच का अंतर घट जाता है. मैं श्रीमान प्रधानाचार्य महोदय और हमारे शिक्षकों से अनुरोध करती हूँ.
Teachers Day celebration, students are presenting their song. Teachers Day celebrations are going on here in Vidya Bharati. Students are performing their
के नन्हे बच्चों के द्वारा गुरु बोलती आगे खड़ी दुनिया में कछु नहीं उन्हीं को प्रणाम करी सकल के लिए मेरी जाति. कबीर दास जी कहते हैं जो साकार रूप में गुरु की मूर्ति आपके सामने खड़ी. Now everyone knows about our students just getting CBSE education up to class 12 in less than a year. Because of the hard work and dedication of our teachers, our school is extremely innovative. We won second prize in March Past on Independence Day and several other titles, medals, certificates in different sports and cultural events also. This success became possible because of our hardworking teachers. Our school is providing JEE and NEET coaching. We have a senior grant award of preparing for the success exams. Our school is able to reach this mark because of our dedicated teachers. Being a teacher is a work of art, and our teachers are all the rising colors that make the canvas look beautiful.
Since our teachers feel very happy, at the same time they're students are honoring them because of devotion and about the hard work they put for betterment of students. So here you can see that one by one students are felicitating their respected teacher. That's a lovely thing, and respect should be there, and bonding between students and teachers always have to remain. So here this is a glimpse of students putting students are honoring to our respected teachers, and through that way try to develop the bonding and relationship one another. That's a lovely thing. Honoring their respected teachers one after another. Everyone is sort of giving their Kulam Gamusha, token of love. Part of this celebration program, you can see that there's a sense of joy and sense of happiness, sense of honoring to their respected teacher. This is a lovely thing, and this is the culture of India, where in this Teachers' Day celebration in honoring and giving the respect to their teacher. That's this lovely thing. We are a witness of this kind of development and bonding here. Respected teachers. Those who experience for having public space, they also stage in this backside and support their seniors to felicitation, honoring their teachers. That's a culture of Indian society. It's a love with the students and teachers. Honoring their teachers, students are presenting lovely song. Because of copyright issue, I can't able to play the whole song. Just try to showcase a glimpse how the students are presenting their song. Through the way, try to give the idea about the how students are eagerly made preparation for presenting their lovely song and showcase their talent at the same time to thanks to the teachers, how teachers are working hard for their betterment. That's a kind of honor and bonding, respect and showcase here an occasion of the Teachers' Day. It is lovely. Students are trying to give their best to entertaining this program, and really lovely. It was so sweet. I could not make the whole video, just I'm showcase about the main glimpse about it. Let's proceed another way. On these days of Teachers' Day auspicious occasion, students are taking opportunity giving thanks to their teachers who are working hard for their betterment, and togetherly the teachers are collective effort mold their students character and learning aptitude can develop. This is
Luckily, and dear students, today a very auspicious moment for the teaching fraternity. See that now, 5th of September, 1888, Krishnan was born. And you see his journey of his life. His journey of his life is a great lesson for all the people of this world. He was a great philosopher, a great diplomat, a politician, a great teacher, isn't it? So, as he has gifted, donated his birth anniversary is a Teachers' Day, and so that we are celebrating.
आज इस शुभ मुहूर्त पर शिक्षक दिवस, इस पवित्र दिवस पर हम सभी गुरुजनों को प्रणाम करते हैं। और मैं भी आज सुबह सुबह अपने गुरु से मिल के आया और उनसे आशीर्वाद लेके आया। आज इस पवित्र दिन पे हमारे इस स्कूल के प्रधानाचार्य महोदय और शिक्षकगण सभी को मैं अपने तहे दिल से शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और प्रणाम करता हूँ। आप शिक्षकों से मतलब गुरुजी से आप जितना घनिष्ठता या जितना क्लोज रिलेशन रखेंगे आप शायद उतना सफल आदमी बन पाएंगे।
कॉलेज में उनका सम्मान करें। If you respect your teachers, definitely you are going to be successful in your life. Be obedient, be humble, be gentle.
Never forget how you made them feel. Yes, I will never forget how VVIS made me feel. This is not my first workplace. This is not the first place where I got my first paycheck. I have been associated with other organizations, of course, where I had great learning experiences, great memories to cherish. But what makes VVIS special is the warmth and camaraderie, the memories of which I'll be cherishing lifelong.
I would like to take this opportunity to wish my colleagues a very happy Teacher's Day to each and every one of you. And also, I would like to wish my dear student a very warm good morning. My speech wouldn't be very long, it will be very short. It's going to be a little bit personal. I haven't prepared any speech as what I'm going to say. But first and foremost, I would like to thank our respected principal sir for giving me the opportunity to stand here to share my words regarding my experience in this organization. Receiving the certificate. And I also like to call Sheila Sharma ma'am on the stage for receiving the certificate.
Yeah, our students have played a teacher role today. So this is about the glimpse of how before they go in the classroom. So like to take a short videos with them, and I like to wish all give your best. Standing and supervise how students are playing that student teacher role. Here are our students who play the principal sir role. So like to take the videos about the class teachers representing here.
Everyone. Okay. कोई जंक फूड या फिर ऐसा ही कुछ अनहेल्दी खाना लाया है क्या? कोई नॉन वेज लाया है क्या? जंक फूड और नॉन वेज स्कूल में बैंड है, हाँ, लाना नहीं है।
Street Taxasila, our students who play the teacher's role try to see them how they are doing their duty, and through that way we like to scrutinize and give the motivation how our teachers are with the effort to make systematic and organize our students. Our students also take the initiative to guide according to their capability and according to their best. Here one of the students also try to take registrations, and here we can students also try to writing the things which is written down on the board, and they try to follow that. We can see that here our teachers who is played a Hemant sir role as a first teacher. He try to write something in the board. You can see that writing the board first written in France. What is your name? Komoto.
फिजिक्स में पता है न्यूमेरिकल कॉन्सेप्ट्स और क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना और कॉन्सेप्ट्स को बहुत सारी रियल लाइफ में अप्लाई करना, ये तो बात फिजिक्स में होगा। केमिस्ट्री बहुत सारे केमिकल्स को एक साथ ऐड करना या फिर एक केमिकल को कुछ ऐसा पावर देना जिससे तुम बहुत सारे ऐसे एलिमेंट्स को सेपरेट कर सको।
नॉर्मली अगर देखो केमिस्ट्री में तुम्हारा अभी भी तुम्हें नेक्स्ट में या अभी क्लास 6 में पता चलेगा वाटर एक बीकर में लोगे दो पेंसिल को डालोगे उसको पेंसिल के साथ स्विच करोगे एक साइड से ऑक्सीजन निकलेगा एक साइड से हाइड्रोजन हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन।
Wonderful. She explaining about the PCB, PCM, how does work. I can move the other screen.
The younger brother loved while dash. It's different chapter. The younger brother loved while dash. I will give you some time without options, then I will tell you the options. Shall I tell the options? Yes. Fruits, mushrooms, grains. Mushrooms. I guess this is the first chapter. Third chapter.
Lovely. Next, I'd like to move to another room. Here is Arnav, who played my role, how I'm teaching in the classes. He tried to demonstrate as per his convenience and about his knowledge. He tried to give us some information to guide their own junior how the learning can be interesting. He written something about it. Relate to that, he is explaining something on which make them interesting.
ठीक है, तो अभी हम लोग इसके बाद डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कि 30 डिग्री जैसे मैंने बताया 45 डिग्री 60 डिग्री 90 डिग्री। आपको अभी जब आप 10 में जाओगे तो आपको 5 डिग्री के बारे में आपको पढ़ना है 0 30 डिग्री 45 डिग्री 60 एंड 90। ठीक है ना, आपको बोल देंगे कि कुछ बिल्डिंग दे दिया आपको जैसे।
Now I'm here in class 9 Taxila. Let's see how our students are doing and giving their best. Together you can check it out. And Mandal sir also guiding to our students how teaching profession is interesting and lovely. There's kind of interaction and asking a question to try to get some input about it. So here he tried to interact something about that others. Here in class 9 Nalanda, our students who try to teach something in a maths, and we can see that our Ajay sir also observing how our student teachers doing their work. And here through the guidance or through the support of our teachers, and students can learn about the teaching profession. They can learn something. Teachers is not about the teaching something to the student, it's also process of learning and teaching process both together going. I like to move to another room. How is it going on? In class 4 Taxila, our students who played a role as a teachers, and our madams also guiding and observing how our students are interacting with their students, and through that we can see that our students try to writing something and try to give the knowledge whatever they have. Teach the Assamese lesson Gulikhana. He try to read all that, and through that way you can see all that the students are also try to obediently sit here to learn from their elder how and what they try to give their knowledge. And this is a lovely thing that learning can be taken places by guiding from the seniors, and juniors will be cooperated, and togetherly the knowledge can be imparted from one another. So I like to move another room how the teaching is going on. Okay, here our so lovely program is starting now. The backside, all madam also did the content. Please join with her. Here our male teacher also works. Our music sir here. অকণ মিলাই দিব এনেকৈ মিলাই দিব হাত চাপৰি দি অকণ জগাই দিব পাৰিব লাহেকৈ ৰিডমটো মিলাই দিব ৰিডম lovely, huh? Okay, next. Next. Big round of applause for her. So, इनको लूट लेते हैं. मैम अभी साइड पे रखो. ये महफिल सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. Our player arriving now. Come on sir, join कीजिए. ओहो, मीनाक्षी sir. Haha. This is lovely program going on here. We can see. Lovely. Meenakshi sir. Mess up like please join them louder. ये कहाँ हो गया? क्या हो गया यार? कैसे हुआ? बढ़िया. Lovely. She is anchorer or about the played a role of the. How was the experience as a teacher today?
It was good.
Good. Is it so? Lovely. Would you like, come. Would you like to become the teachers in near future?
Yes, sir.
Is it so?
Yes.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Good. One more anchor of the program, and today you became the teachers. How was the experience?
Very good.
Very good.
Yes.
Would you like to become the teacher in near future?
Yes, sir.
Okay, lovely. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
You also become the teachers today, right? How was the experience?
All best.
Good. Come here, Mr. Arnab. You played. Oh, okay. Here. You played a role of mine, right?
Yes, sir.
How was the experience of today's teaching in
Really
this
good,
class?
sir. I'm a science student,
Yeah.
but still I was teaching history. So
Is it so?
Yes.
Okay. How do you get a feedback from this?
Sir, it was good. It was actually good. The students were really loving the however I was teaching.
Would you become the teacher in near future?
If I would get the opportunity, I will.
Okay. All the best. All the best, dear. So all our dear students are coming now. Student teachers who are coming just now coming here. I'd like to take the feedback from them. What is the experience of today as the teachers? Okay, my dear. Today you become the Sudip sir role, right?
Yes.
How was the experience of today?
Sir, nice only. We came to know about various how
I-
the teachers
How difficult job
it
is the teaching profession, right?
Sir.
What is the most interesting thing you learned today?
That we should respect teachers.
Okay, that's lovely. That's kind of lesson we should be learn about it. Okay, dear. How's the experience of today? Nice. Good. Yeah. Okay, you can speak up. How was the experience of today as a teacher?
Very cool.
Very nice. Okay. What about you all? Come here, look at here. How was the experience as a teacher? Fine. That's good. That's good. Keep learning. Okay, how was the experience of today?
Nice.
Is it? Today also teach some student, right? You had been to some classes, taught as a teachers. How was the experience?
Very nice.
But if you get in time, you're going to become the teachers in there. Options are clear. Yeah, that's lovely. All of us.
Thank you.
Come here. How was the experience as a teachers today? Good. I guess you were enjoying it, right?
Yes, sir.
Will you become the teacher in the near future?
I hope so. If we get
Probably. Door is open for you all. Yeah, good. Lovely. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye, dear. Bye-bye. Special final round. सुबह से मेहनत कर अभी लंच का साथ बढ़िया से खाकर फिर गाने का महफिल कंटिन्यू रहेगा. Now we can see that all our madam in the thank you. आज रेसिपी ये है कि ये भी है थर्ड फोर्थ ये राइस और स्टिल दे रहा है टीचर्स डे बढ़िया से महफिल कंटिन्यू रहेगा एकदम. अभी सब लाइन में. सो कमलेश सर मेहनत कर रहा है सबको अच्छा से पेट भर कर खाना खिला सके. सो ऑल आर इन द क्यू. वी आर गोइंग टू हैव द ब्यूटीफुल लंच और डिलीशियस लंच. आफ्टरवर्ड्स वी शैल कंटिन्यू आवर म्यूजिक प्रोग्राम. शिव सर कैसे लग रहा है? हाउ इज इट डन? वेरी नाइस. लवली. ठीक है. And the whole day work hard to organize this lovely program of Teachers Day celebration. In the Teacher Day celebration, we are dedicated to all the teachers. Though we are assembled here for a number, selected number, working hard, but we are trying to enter teachers who working hard togetherly. We celebrate the Teachers Day important, and through that way we try to contribution to development of country. Same time we try to respect our elder, and same time those people make our country proud, and through that honoring to their glory and honoring their work. And at the same time we are also having some vision near future also we can achieve that kind of person where everyone can be celebrate all about the respect us for our work. Thank you, and together we can shout out 1, 2, 3 go Happy Teachers Day. Okay, again 1, 2, 3 go Happy Teachers Day. Again Happy Teachers Day. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. DBS. Thank you.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever come